Sir, stop. You need a mask.
We are on the look for Yachty pizza. We can't find it anywhere. Hey, you know where the little Yachty pizza is at? The little Yachty pizza? I need that little Yachty pizza. It's so good. I'm also looking for little Yachty pizza. Do y'all have that? Because Walmart doesn't have it there.
We have what?
The Yachty pizza?
No, sir, we don't.
It's okay.
Excuse me, do you know where the little Yachty pizza is?
This one? Do you know where the Yachty pizza's at? Or did this one? Do you know where the Yachty pizza's at?
Which one would be funnier?
I think the teddy bear.
This one? Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where the little Yachty pizza's at? Yeah. Aisle 4, the little Yachty pizza.
5.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you know where the little boat pizza's at? Actually.
Leti. Busca la pizza. Gori o Gori?
Pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Busca la pizza. Pizza truck?
Yeah.
Next up.
Ah, thank you. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Do you know where the little boat pizza's at?
You know see? You know looking?
Little boat? Ma'am, I don't know where he went.
And off the jet, got a gritter. Pull her right there in 2-seater. I fucked this bitch in a beater. Big ass teeth look like a beaver. Diamond in my wrist, that new freezer. Diamond in my wrist, that new freezer. Diamond in my wrist, that new freezer.
Huh?
That was our first public prank, I'm pretty sure.
That sure was. We're on the hunt for Yachty pizzas. We're gonna make that a thing. You know what I'm saying?
We gotta hunt for Yachty pizzas every Walmart we go to.
Yes.
And off the jet, got a gritter. Pull her right there in 2-seater.
Hey, Venators, what's going on?